I really look forward to ride this one. Hey guys, Ryder here with Jay again. Jay, tell us what we have here. It looks great.
This is a 2020 Husky FC270 that we made into a 270. I got the logo right here.
All right.
You know, one of my favorite things is the big bore.
Yep.
One of the things I like about the Husky KTM line is that they run really strong components. So when you put these big bores in there, they hold up really well. They got good valves, really good crank.
We are at Glen Helen, so it gets a little noisy sometimes.
Dirt bikes are loud, man.
Yeah.
But anyway, so they have a good rod, and so they're really strong motors, so they can take the big bore kit a lot better than some of the other bikes, maybe, let's say. So, and then Jamie, he ports the head at Twisted Development.
Okay.
He ports the head to match, and then mapped it on the dyno with the Vortex. So this thing runs just perfect. And so Racerex did a story with it. Chris Kiefer really liked it. I really love the bike. Now I've got a decent amount of time on it since we tested it, and so I've been hoping to get you out here. And you know, we've had a tough time the last month to get you out here to ride the thing.
I've been really busy. I have a lot of things going on, but thankfully I have time today. We are out here at Glen Helen. We're gonna ride some cool bikes. So we're gonna jump on it and see how it feels.
It's a little. There's not very many people here, so it should be like a private day. It looks perfect. It's a little hot, but it'll be fine.
Yeah.
It should be fun.
Yeah, should be good for me. I don't like when there's a lot of fast guys on the track. I'm not a Glen Helen main track guy, so I will be rolling few jumps and in the turns. Yeah, not gonna be like on fire, but nevertheless, we're gonna have fun. It's good to know your limits and then try to push them little by little. Alright guys, so this thing is good. This extra 20cc, this thing being 270 and ported and head was cut and everything, it is way different. Guys riding here, it's a busy day at Glen Helen, but yeah, I'm gonna tell you that man, really 270, it's just such a good bike. Such a good bike. Like 350 is amazing, but that might be a little bit too much for a lot of guys. Now 250 sometimes might be not enough for many guys, but when you throw this big bore on 250, make it 270 and do a little porting there, and you know, just do nice Vortex ignition, head it down. Jamie did this at Twisted. It just feels so good. It has this extra power you can feel. Like going up the hill, well, this is Glen Helen, you have these steep hills. I didn't have to clutch it like, you know, to start pulling up the hill. I just give it a full throttle and that thing will come out of a turn and pull uphill easier than 250 would do. So there is this extra bottom that just really feel good. And you know, depends what kind of rider you are. Maybe if you're riding more in the mid and top, then yeah, the 250, the Rever 250 would have all that for you. But myself, you know, I kind of like to go from the bottom a little more, so this little extra punch that this thing has from the bottom, it makes a lot of sense. It just feels so good. It's faster than 250, but it's the same weight, the same feeling. Feels great in my hands. I have 350 Husky at home. That's what I ride all the time, so I feel good on the bike. It really falls in my hand and feels like mine. I'm even matching the gear. I didn't plan that, but it just happened, so I'm really made for this bike today. So definitely it was a great time here at Glen Helen. You know, it's a little tough to ride here, I admit that. There's a bunch of deep ruts, and normally when I ride I don't have these deep ruts, so it's a little bit challenging to stay in the rut all the way. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's not okay, and I get out of it, sometimes I crash. But anyway, that's how you learn, right? So definitely I will try to ride more these sand tracks and the hill tracks this coming winter, so I can get better in staying in those ruts. That definitely helps on the tracks like this. But yeah, the bike was amazing. It just feels so good. Dude, I wouldn't mind to have 350 and 270, so I can be, switching between those two. It's really nice bike. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you think, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.